What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we got to give updates on XRP as we are officially breaking out of our consolidation. Now, remember, as always, never financial advice. Just putting you guys on the plays that I am in. If you're new around here, smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. So the overall market is rebounding nicely, but XRP up 12% on the day is breaking out on news that the SEC has acknowledged the XRP ETF that has been filed. Now, this here is probably one of the biggest findings and biggest news catalysts that we've seen for XRP all of 2025. Forget the part that Brad Garlinghouse met with Donald Trump and him being a part of his crypto council. This here is absolutely massive. The acknowledgement from the SEC, of course, number one, potentially dismisses the case that we've been anticipating for the last few years. But in addition, this could actually lead to the new inflows that a lot of people are expecting that can potentially move this price to over 10, 20, and even $30. So on Blowfin, you guys know, if you guys have been following the channel for a while now, we've been setting up some price targets and price points where we've been interested in buying more XRP. And I've mentioned $1.77. If we were ever to fall back down to that liquidation level, there's a lot of liquidity waiting to buy there. But at 242, you guys know that was my strike price, 242 to 247. We were buying the dip, and I hope some of you got in at 222. That was the other level. And now that we broke out at 275, the next resistance that we have after here could potentially be right around now at 279, followed by hopefully $3.10. So for those of you wondering what I use for my charting, as always, remember I do use Blowfin. So Blowfin, there's a link down below. No KYC needed, up to $100,000 deposit and trade rewards are up for grabs if you use my link down in the description below. So the SEC has officially acknowledged the Grayscale's filing to convert its XRP trust into an exchange-traded fund, which again unlocks a lot of liquidity because it allows big institutional and small institutions and retail investors to buy in via the New York Stock Exchange. Even though that does not necessarily mean that the SEC is going to approve the proposed XRP ETF, the mere acknowledgement already marks a significant breakthrough for the token. According to leading ETF analyst Nate Gerasi, the SEC has sent an enormous message about the token, and that's actually seen here on X. SEC has acknowledged New York Stock Exchange 19B4 filing to list and trade Grayscale XRP ETF. Obviously, a potential huge statement in the SEC versus Ripple case. And you can see the exact statement that was put over on his channel. Notice of filing a proposed rule change as modified by Amendment Number 1 to list and trade the shares of Grayscale XRP Trust under New York Stock Exchange is acknowledged 21 days after the date of the publication. So guys, overall, things are looking extremely bullish. Sorry for my lighting, by the way. I'm still here in the Middle East and probably going to be here for at least a few more weeks, but just bear with me on the temporary microphone. Hopefully you guys can hear me well, but otherwise, again, things are looking very good for Ripple XRP. So you can see here, Ripple CEO Garlinghouse has already reacted to the SEC's decision to acknowledge the Grayscale application to convert it into an ETF. According to Garlinghouse, such a development was inevitable, despite the fact that there was some vocal assertions to the contrary. The Ripple boss has repeatedly predicted that the spot XRP ETF would end up getting approved in the US, even though it seemed highly unlikely that such product would be approved by the SEC's blessing, even just 12 months ago, guys. And that's what's so exciting. The sentiment is extremely much shifting to where it was even 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. Ripple's president, Monica Long, has expressed confidence that the XRP token is in line to get a spot ETF approval. Earlier today, as mentioned, this is an enormous message about the XRP token by agreeing to considering such a product despite the fact that it's still in process of ongoing litigation with Ripple Labs. So guys, we know there's a huge sentiment shift right now in crypto. That's just a given fact. So for those of you that are currently sidelined trying to identify where do I get into XRP, well, all the shorts have been liquidated for the most part and all the longs got liquidated. So right now, this is potentially the next leg up. For me, I want to see us get above $3.20 and hopefully break a new all-time high within the next few days. We are going into the weekend, which is typically very low volume. But based off what we're seeing right now, the overall sentiment, the overall vibes from all the crypto industry, we are officially going to enter into one of the biggest super cycles of all time. Take that how you want to, but take that as this could be a big opportunity, lifetime opportunity for those of you that are looking to invest into the cryptocurrency market. Volume is picking up significantly. If you guys go over to CoinMarketCap, 7.25 billion, up 31%. Strong volume spikes is what creates big FOMO candles, and that's what's currently happening. And notice, when we FOMO'd and the candles went up, here I'm going to move the screen just a little bit so you guys can see. Here's the chart. You could see that there was this big FOMO candle that was created and then consolidation after, which is extremely bullish, by the way. That means people are not only just buying and selling, instead we're seeing people buy and actually hold as well. So again, very bullish short-term information that we're getting from the SEC, but long-term wise, this never changed our conviction, and nothing has changed the idea behind XRP or Ripple Labs. Remember, they're the biggest institutional token, if you can call it that, amongst the top 10 cryptocurrencies that has partnerships established with massive entities, banking institutions, Japan's government, and all their banking institutions. All of these things combined are extremely strong catalysts that could lead to the infinite liquidity events happening, where money inflows during big bull markets, and we hopefully boom from there. So guys, as always, everybody, I appreciate you guys' support and your continued liking of the videos, subscribing to the channel. A lot of new subscribers on the channel. Thank you and welcome to the Your Pursuit of Purpose content and channel itself. I'm here to talk about cryptocurrency each and every day, but that's all I had for you today. So until next time, as always, keep investing. Peace.